Another quick look at our workshops and events page. If you come on down to local events, now we've got Humboldt, Mendocino, Sonoma, and Marin. So I'm going to start by inviting folks to put their events on these pages. Now, I live in Northern California and I'm up and down the 101, so Marin, that's my home county. I'm living up in Humboldt County now. So I'm putting the focus on that stretch. If you have an event that's coming up, you can drop a flyer. All you need to do is go to the Create button and you'll see the sign up form. You can create a profile. I'm going to make sure that I shout out all the galleries and music events of the bands that I like. If you want to make sure I don't miss you, you can help me out by posting on the site here. The community is going to make this site come alive.